Welcome to another nail tutorial. Today I'm showing you how to encapsulate real dried flowers in hard builder gel using sticker forms. I love the look of clear nails that you can see through, and adding things like flowers makes such a fun look. So let's get right into it. If you have any questions about anything I'm doing, just leave a comment down below. As always, I start off by prepping my natural nails. For that, I used this Sally Hansen cuticle remover, this tool to push the cuticles back when they're soft, and some clippers to trim up the hangnails, and a file for all the edges. So here is what they look like all prepped. And today I'm going to be using some nail primer to just dehydrate the nail and clear it of any debris. And then I'll be using these sticker forms to put underneath the nail so I can extend them past my natural nail. So I'll go ahead and put those down first and kind of pinch the bottom so they have a nice curved edge. And that's what they look like. And I'm going to add some sunscreen to my hands because I will be using a UV lamp to cure the gel. Then to make sure the builder gel will stick to my nails and not lift, I need to add a bonder. So I'm using this bonder from the same brand as the gel I'll be using. This is the IBD UV bonder, and cure it under the lamp. And this is the IBD hard gel pot that I'll be using to actually build the nail extension. So I'll just grab a little bit and kind of wipe it on my nail. I'm trying not to wipe my nail too much so I don't add too many bubbles, but just go ahead and extend it beyond the natural nail onto the sticker, and we can go ahead and cure that. And I'm just going to grab some nail polish remover and put a little bit in a bowl. And I'm just using this to wet the brush and prevent the gel from sticking to the brush in between uses. And then I've got some tweezers, and this I'll be using to pick up the dried flowers. So I bought this set on AliExpress, super cheap, like $1 or $2, and it just has a bunch of random bits of dried flowers. So I'm going to take some scissors and cut the flower up a bit so that it'll fit on my nail better. And then I'll take some more builder gel and put some more down as the glue for the nail to stick on. Then I'll take the large bit of flowers and put it on my nail with the tweezers. Then I'll grab some more gel and add it on top so the nails will stick down and be completely encased in gel. Then I'll add a few of those stray bits of flowers and cover those with gel too. I'll go ahead and cure that, and then I'll remove the sticker from underneath the nail. Then I'll need to smooth out that edge with a nail file, and it will look like this. And then at the very end I'll add some glossy polish after I do the rest of the nails. And on this nail I want to add some different flowers and leaves, so I'll take a few out with the tweezers, and these are just easier to rip apart than using some scissors. Next I'll grab a large pink flower, and I'll go ahead and add some of that gel again before I put the flowers on. Again, just extending it beyond the natural nail onto the sticker, and I'll use the tweezers to add those leaves. And here you can just add as many layers of that glue that you want and cure in between layers. And I'll go ahead and cure that. And I'll take off the sticker. And then after filing, that's what that one looks like. And I'm gonna skip my ring finger for now because I painted it green and I ended up redoing that one and going with pink at the end. And then I'll move on to the pinky finger next. So for this one, I'll add some of those loose flower bits that I used for my first finger. And I'm just using a tweezers for that. And again, make sure you add a top layer of that builder gel so everything's completely encapsulated. and then I'll file that nail down. Lastly, I'll do my thumb. For this one, I'll paint some of the pink gel polish on it. So this is ASP in the color Creme de la Creme. And for this one, I'll pick a pink flower bunch and just kind of break those flowers up a bit. And again, I'll use my tweezers to just place those around randomly. And to make sure those flowers stick, I'm going to add a top glossy coat. Then I'll add some cuticle oil around the edges of my nails so the cuticles are nice and moisturized. And there we go. That's the final look. I think these turned out really cool, and let me know what you think about these encapsulated nails, and if you'd like to try it or if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in next week's video.